How to fix Genshin Impact. Too many requests. Please try again. Error. So first things first, I'm gonna give you a clue on how or why this specific error message is happening on your end. So first is if you're currently using a VPN and it is currently active to that IP address where it's set as default, you might have to turn that off, refresh the page where you're trying to re-log in, and check if that error message is already not showing. The other thing that you can do is to click on the login button and say, for example, your login temp is showing via logging in with UID. You can try to rechange the server to either America, Asia, Europe, or any available server. And then if the error message is still showing, you can try to relog in again by using your Huyu-verse account. Now, if none of those options and then you're trying to log in using the Genshin Impact software, you can try to re-download it by going into their official site and clicking this option. Download is just not, it's not going to be longer than usual. But if the issue persists, then you can do is go into your search box and type in CMD. Make sure to run it as an administrator and type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Hit on enter, restart your PC, and relaunch your Genshin Impact. So those are the troubleshooting steps for you to be able to fix Genshin Impact too many requests. Please try again later.